Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Thor Four Winds Class C motorhome. The floor plans range from around 24.5 foot to 33 foot or so, and are built on either the Ford E350 or Chevy chassis for the 26RB and shorter, or the E450 chassis for the 27R and larger. The Ford chassis has the 6.8 liter Triton V10 putting out 305 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. The Chevy chassis features a 6 liter V8 with 323 horsepower and 373 foot-pounds of torque. All Four Winds also come equipped with an impressive 8,000 pound rated hitch. Let's talk about construction. The chassis on the Four Winds is sent to MoRide, where it is optimized for storage and completely balanced so the motorhome sits square and rides true. On top of the chassis sits the welded tubular steel floor for maximum support. Unlike many manufacturers, all the plumbing, electrical, and ductwork in the Four Winds is actually run on top of the floor for easy serviceability. In fact, the Four Winds has several features to aid in easy troubleshooting and serviceability. One example is the hot and cold water lines are actually appropriately colored for easy identification when working on plumbing. The electrical lines are also color-coded, and the harnesses are connected together by locking pins. The harnesses and connections are quality tested to prevent them from coming apart due to vibration during travel. The cabinets in the Four Winds are all made in-house, and the cabinet doors are handcrafted and stained solid wood doors. The sidewalls, roof, and floor are all vacuum bond laminated, and any slide rooms are actually cut from the sidewall they are to be installed in, so you have a perfect fit and color match every time.
The Four Winds floor plans have a series of subsets. As such, I'm going to start by going over the first subset, which is the Four Winds models available with either a Ford E350 or Chevy 3500 chassis. The first one with the multiple chassis option is the 22B. The 22B has a single slide-out housing the queen bed. This creates some walk-around space in the bedroom, a bedroom that's made private with a curtain. Under 25 feet in length, the 22B makes efficient use of its space, utilizing a straight-line kitchen across from the booth dinette and pantry. Up front, as with all Four Winds models, you'll find a cab-over bunk capable of comfortably sleeping two, plus most have a 40-inch TV on a manual swivel in this bunk area. Next up is the 22E. This is the Four Winds without a slide-out. The queen bed is moved into a corner and moved to the passenger side, which in turn flips the bathroom to the driver's side. The rest of the 22E is set up just like the 22B, including the 40-inch TV in the bunk area. Up next is the 24F, which is the first of Four Winds models to have a full wall slide out. This slide houses a queen bed, booth dinette, and dual closets that maximize storage space. The rest of the model has the same layout as the 22B, with a full-length pantry placed into the kitchen. Now we come to the unique 25V. The 25V has double twin beds convertible into a king, and the booth dinette is placed in its own slide-out. The kitchen is laid out similarly to the 22B. The final Four Winds with the Ford/Chevy option is the 26B. This model with its queen bed in a slide-out has the same rear section as the 22B, but that's pretty much where the similarities end. The 26B moves the entry door into the midsection to accommodate a jackknife sofa that sits across from the booth dinette. The kitchen is split with the broom closet sitting across from the cooktop, sink, counter, and pantry. Up front, the 40-inch swivel TV has been moved to the driver's side of the bunk area to accommodate easy viewing from the sofa. The rest of the floor plans are built on a Ford E450 chassis. First up, we have the Four Winds 27R. The 27R has a large slide-out containing the jackknife sofa, wide kitchen counter, a flip-up extension, and a king bed. The bedroom is separated via a privacy curtain, plus has a large closet against the rear wall. On the passenger side, you'll find the booth dinette, fridge, and pantry. Next up is the 28Z. The 28Z is the first in the Four Winds line with a solid door for privacy in the bedroom. The bedroom has a centered walk-around queen bed and a spot to place a 32-inch TV. In the living area, there's a slide-out pulling out the booth dinette, as well as the kitchen counter and cooktop. Before I get to three floor plans coming in two different formats, let's take a look at the 31Y. This model has the same walk-around queen bed with pocket door on the back end, but gives you a slightly bigger slide out that pulls out not only the booth dinette and kitchen counter, but the fridge and additional closet space as well. The living area 40-inch TV is moved to sit above the dinette, and the cab sports swivel chairs. Now we come to the final three floor plans, the 31B, 31E, and 31W. Each of these has a sister floor plan called the V, as in Victory series, that gives you basic amenities to keep your camping happy and your costs down. The 31B places a walk-around queen bed and a slide-out, plus has a walk-in closet complete with washer-dryer prep. Twin pocket doors can be utilized to create a master suite. In the large living area slide, you'll find the booth dinette with the 40-inch TV, the kitchen counter, sink and cooktop, plus a pantry and the vanity sink. The 31E is a bunkhouse floor plan with a small slide-out containing the bedroom closet and dresser, kitchen counter, cooktop and sink, booth dinette, and of course, stacked twin bunk beds. The 40-inch living room TV has been moved back to the cab-over area. The bathroom is wide and walk-through with private access from the bedroom. The fridge sits on the passenger side next to a nice pull-out pantry. Our final 4Winds floor plan is the 31W. This model is quite similar to the 31E with some notable differences. While you'll find a wall slide out, the pull-out pantry has been moved to sit next to the kitchen counter in the slide, and the rest of the space where the bunk sat is now additional closet space. The bathroom is not walk-through, but the kitchen sports a residential-sized fridge. The living area TV has been placed above the dinette.
So whether you're looking to make memories with the family, just enjoy your time away, or have a home on wheels, there's a Thor Four Winds motorhome that will meet your needs.